What is good, y'all boys? Another day, another freaking dollar, man. Let's get it. See, we got the Q right here. Then we got the Z right here, bro. I'm too hyped, bro. I swear, bro. Like I said in the last video, if y'all watched it, bro, I wanted this car for too damn long, bro. I'm so happy I have it, bro. It's gonna be a process to rebuild it, but man, I'm too excited for it. Cause like I said, that's gonna be more content for y'all, so I ain't even stressing. Let me go ahead and take off the cover, and then we'll go ahead and get into it. So here we go. We got the Z. I need to ask somebody about that. I've been looking for parts all day, bro. I wouldn't say it's probably my last time rebuilding a car, but god damn, I am not dealing with part outs again, bro. Cause this shit is so annoying, bro. When it comes to people flaking or people just going ghost on me, bro, like, bro, just let me give you my money, bro. Like, I just want the part, bro. Like, people just making it so complicated. But yeah, I'm trying to like work with people with part out so I can just get parts for a little cheaper, because I don't really care how the car looks. I just want to get these parts and then, feel me, go from there. I'll paint it later, but paint it, wrap it, whatever I want to do. But yeah, bro, like working with part outs is, god, it's frustrating, bro. But yeah, bro, this is the Z. We need a lot of parts for it, but again, I ain't stressing because, feel me, it's gonna be a nice little rebuild process. But yeah, it's the 08 HR 6-speed. So, but yeah, this video I'll probably combine like a whole bunch of videos because I'm gonna be picking up parts over the days. Today I finally got some mirrors because boy was it a process trying to get this home. But yeah, I finally got some side mirrors, so we about to go ahead and install that. I know I need to get one more tire for my stock wheel. That's what you see one Nismo on that. But yeah, bro, about to go ahead and install these mirrors and we gonna go from there. Here go the side mirrors right here. I got them black because eventually I want black side mirrors anyways, and then plus I'm probably gonna put carbon on top of it, so I wanted just black for, like, you know, that underneath look. And I'm sure regardless, like I said, I wanted black mirrors, so it is what it is. These came off of vertical, so these should be solid. About to go ahead and throw these on right now, and we litty, man, to finally see. All right, one mirror down, one more to go. Looking better already. Love to see it, love to see it. I'm gonna have Miss Case Shanae do the next mirror so she can get active. Look at you. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, girl.
They're all by myself.
Oh yeah. Alright, like I said, she already starting to look better. Look at that with the black mirrors. I went ahead and picked up some fuses from AutoZone earlier, so I'm about to go ahead and replace all of them right there, and the auto ones underneath the steering wheel. I just bought a few because I wasn't sure like exactly how I go, because I was just blindly buying them. I didn't really know which ones I needed. So, but yeah, from what I have, I got a whole bunch of 10s, a whole bunch of 15s, so I'll just go from there, and then if anything, I'll buy the rest later. One thing that sucks though, all I have is this damn flathead, so I definitely need to invest in a fuse puller, but this will work for now. Alright, so we got all on this side out. I definitely don't think I'll be able to get this side out with the flathead, because the way I've been doing it, let's just say it wasn't the best way. But yeah, there's like at least two stuck in this bottomless abyss. They call it engine bay. So I went ahead and put this towel here so I could catch it. I caught one. So yeah, bro, I'm about to go ahead and replace those. If anything, I'll just get back at this another day. But at least I got that full side completed, and then I'm about to go ahead and hop into the car and then finish the rest of them after I put these back in. What is good, y'all boys? It is another day. As y'all seen, the other day we went ahead and switched all the fuses. It got really late though, so I just went ahead and stopped doing that. I got a new battery for the car, so hopefully a little bit later we're gonna go ahead and start the car up after I change that. We also have the bill of sale and the title right here. About to go ahead and get this bit registered, and yo, we finna finally be able to take this bit on the road, man. Stop playing, let's get it. Woo-hoo! All right, bro, we're back at the crib. I done got straight up grease on that registration. My God, hold up. I can't even see this shit. Where is it? 500 to get it registered, bruh. Cause it's my first time like really like straight up registering a car, like with new tag, everything. My God, I didn't know it was that expensive, bro. But got the car registered. I also got a new battery. Hold on. Got a new battery, so I'm about to go ahead and throw that in the whip, and then this bitch should just crank up and drive around for a little bit, get a little bit used to it, and then yeah, bro. From there, I know, yo, I ordered too many parts, bro. Too many parts, bro. Cause I done ordered, what was it? Cause somebody was doing a part out, and that was my boy. He's in Orlando. Y'all should see it. Hold up. If y'all remember Dory, he has a Blue Z. I'm gonna go ahead and, if you watch the vid, you probably seen this car before. I'll throw a clip right here. Big Z. See in the garage with it. Big HR, stop playing. I fucking love this car, bro. Wait, got it in the garage now too, bro?
Yeah, living our dream.
This shit's so clean, bro. Oh, I need a Z, bro. I need a freaking Z, man. But yeah, he's in Orlando, so he's picking up hella parts for me. So I'm blessed for him to help me out with that. He's picking up door panels. He's picking up the center console, like right up to the AC. So I need to still get the gauges. What else? Picking up the gas door, and I think that's it. I still need to get some headlights. I'm really debating on buying some DE headlights, but I really don't want to, you know, mess around and spend twice the money on just headlights. But on the car right now is DE headlights, so I don't know, bro. But whatever, never mind that. I'm gonna go ahead and get this battery in, and then let's start this baby up.
1 hour later.
I don't know what part of the video is going in, because I've been recording all types of shit. But I forgot my camera at home, so. But yeah, put a center console, man. Let's get it. I'm pretty sure I already explained to y'all what else Dory bringing. So, but yeah, bro, this was like the last missing piece I needed, the center console. So we got it. So yeah, bro. I guess tomorrow I'll pick up back the camera, but I'm definitely about to install this tonight. Hopefully, just get the gauges and shit working, like on the tachometer, and then we lit, bro. Oh yeah, look at them gauges, boy.
Oh, you already put it in?
Yeah. Let me go ahead and crank this bitch up. Oh yeah, everything working. Love to see it. Oh shit.
What the fuck, man?
My bad.
Really?
My bad. Forgot I was in reverse. Good.
Did you get that to record?
Yeah. Alright, a little blooper, but we good.
Hey!
We lit though.
You gotta stop doing that shit.
I know, bro. I keep forgetting it's a reverse, bro.
And you're the one who's like, oh, you gotta remember it's a reverse before you turn it off. You're doing the dumb shit.
Alright, looks like that's still not working though. I'm pretty sure it's probably, well, y'all can't even see it, but I'm pretty sure it's because the AC is not connected. So that might be the last thing, and this should start working. But we have the gauges. Let's go, bro. I really feel like, you feel me? I'm official now. You see? Yeah, so that gauge is still not working. I'm pretty sure it's because of the AC. Hopefully it's because of the AC. But yeah, bro, litty. Fucking litty. Alright, aside from what just happened, I just went ahead and connected the AC, like through those two cords right there. And I see the AC is working too, so that's real good. Just waiting for till Dory comes with the controls and should be able to control it. It was blowing pretty hard, and the car's not even on right now, so it looks like the AC should be good, bro. And then yeah, I was trying to mess with it so I could see if I can mess with the RPM light, and that worked too. So yeah, bro. I didn't obviously test that because the AC was blowing hard as shit. So, but yeah, bro, we should be good to go. So I'm waiting for Dory tomorrow. We can plug it in, and then the tach should be working. And yeah, bro, once he put the door cards and everything, yo, this car, the full interior gonna be complete, bro. I'm dumb hype. I ain't gonna lie, I got anxious. I wanted to try it, but yeah, bro, look, the tach works, so lit. Let's go, bro. Oh, let's get it.
The next day.
It's on fire. So we got the Caddy, we got the M. About to go ahead and throw some spacious on this bit. Make that bit look good. At a gas station with it cause it's raining. Still gonna get it done though. Let's get it.
You can definitely see a difference. Yes. Should look meaty now. Yep. Yeah, it's a nice size.
Y'all seen them before? Now we got that after. That day looking good. That day look too clean. Marcos Mechanics, man, tap in with me. I ain't a mechanic though, but clean, calm little space install, man. Oh yeah, that shit looks good. No rubbing or nothing. Let us see it. Let us see it. W Mailman. I don't know what this is. I think it's the door handles. Hopefully it's everything. I'll be blessed, but pretty sure this is the door handles though. I lied. It's definitely not the door handles. I don't know what this is. It is not my order, bro. Yes, sir. W delivery. Got the gas door. It's the door handle for, I think, yeah, that door. You got the shift boot and the AC controls. You got the window switches. You got the coolant overflow tank. You got the center console. Center console is now complete. Gonna put all this bit in tonight. And at least the interior. And then now we got the gas door. So besides the headlights, yeah, bro, the car finna be complete. I completed this low-key too fast because I'm not broke, but damn. Too much money on this shit, but got it. I'm happy, bro. So yeah, we're finna go ahead and put this in, and I'll catch back up with y'all once we finish putting all this back together. Yes, sir. Look at that beauty up and running. Yes, sir. Full interiors in. Show off the windows, man. Show off the windows. Show off the windows. Oh yeah. Got the windows working. Stop playing. Open the door. Oh shit. Got the fucking door. Oh yeah, and we got some light up. Stop playing.
Use some light.
Stop playing. Full interior. We just some door panel, but you feel me? We lit though. Yes, sir. AC pumping. Let's get it.
Man, that shit feels so much better like you wear those hot air.
Nah, hell yeah. Something though. At least I can lower the driver's side. Alright, take a drive. Lit, man. But yeah. Nah, and this one's like fire on it though. Yeah, they do. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was gonna wait for paint, but low-key I might just throw it on. Cause that should look good. Nah, it is. Alright, y'all boys, I'll definitely say it was a successful night. We got most of the interior in. I was gonna put this side in, but it looks like the window regulator on that one's fried, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. I don't know where I could get that from, so I gotta look into that. I haven't really looked into it at all. So, but yeah, bro, we got the center console and AC works. It looks like it just needs Freon. It should be good from there. Door panels in, full interiors in. I do need an HR of where the gauges are though, because it didn't line up right. Let me show y'all. Get a light. Be able to see right here, like right there. It doesn't line up properly, but I mean it works right now. Ain't really stressing it. So but yeah, bro, definitely a good couple of days. We definitely made a lot of progress. Mind you, it's only been a week with this car, and we got the side mirrors, the door panels, full center console, the coolant overflow tank, the gas door. I didn't put that on yet though, cause I think I need the actuator for it. I don't really know how that works, so I gotta figure that out. Yeah, bro. And then got the door handles coming in, the brake switch, cruise control switch, and then I'm gonna get some new battery terminals too. I think I already talked about that, but yeah, bro. Z is definitely getting built soon. I think all I really need is the headlights. Now I'm gonna get new tires so I can put the stock rim on, get an alignment, and then yeah, bro. Then we get the mod in this motherfucker, man. I mean, soon this big gonna start looking like this beauty. But yeah, bro. I'll say I'll go ahead and call it a night. Pretty sure this video's been pretty good, maybe like 20 minutes long, more or less. But yeah, bro. I appreciate y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. The Z is getting built. Really happy to see it, bro. Hopefully I can have it done in time, cause I know I want to do a drift day sometime this summer, so hopefully I have it done in time. But yeah, bro, again, I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all boys should already know the vibes by now, man. Marcos out.